Hey there. Occasionally, something comes along that can change your life. This is it. Is it a new job, new girlfriend, new car? Sounds exaggerated, I know. I realize how dumb I sound. That is the power of food. Something so trivial, but yet so powerful. And I want you to feel the same experience. So, let's cook. To start, I'm using pork shoulder. I like this cut of meat. Besides being cheap, it's full of flavor and is very fatty, giving us juicy meat. And it's a more forgiving cut. Will still be excellent even if you overcook it a little. Perfect for this dish. I'll slice the meat into square pieces around 3 centimeters. This size will allow to get some caramelization without overcooking the meat. I will marinate the meat, ideally overnight. If you're short on time, 1 hour will do the trick. To marinate the meat, I will add salt, crushed garlic, bay leaf, smoked paprika, garlic powder, garlic paste, onion powder, sugar, and red pepper paste. I am using gochujang here, Thai red pepper paste, very spicy, but this will add a fantastic flavor to the dish. Speaking of out of the box, some fish sauce and a good white wine bath. I will let it marinate. Smells incredible already. Before going to sleep, I will get the clams in a water bath with a couple of pinches of salt. I do this to remove any sand left over inside the clams. These clams were frozen, so they will have less sand. But if you can get fresh clams, make sure you do this for a solid 8 hours, changing the water every 2 hours. Here I will check in the morning if there's any need to change the water. In this case I do. There's still a little bit of sand here, so I'll change the water again. It will render all your efforts to zero if you start eating and biting to sand. All ready to go, I will prepare my potatoes to fry. I will peel and slice them in a 2 centimeter square. I will double fry them. First, I will fry them 150 Celsius or 300 Fahrenheit. We'll take them out to drain and cool down. And to finish them off, I will crank the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. And we'll fry them until golden brown. Should be around 5 minutes the second time. If you don't have a thermometer, do the initial cook at medium-high heat and the second one at high heat, and you'll still have a great result. Now the star of the show, our meat. Add a good amount of lard in the pan. When it's nice and hot, sear the meat. I want it nice and brown. Don't overcrowd the pan or it will boil instead of frying. Try to get all sides of the meat, if possible. When all the meat is nice and brown, I'll remove the meat from the pan. I'll add the marinade into the pan. I'll leave it in high heat to reduce a little bit of this sauce. And while the sauce reduces, subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes like this one. After the sauce reduces for a little bit, I'll add the meat back in to finish it cooking. Now we'll jump on our clams. Drain the clams, put some olive oil into a pan. When hot, the clams go in and let it cook for a couple of minutes. Why are we cooking in a separate pan, you ask? Or maybe you are not asking, but I will tell you anyway. Clams will release a lot of water, especially frozen ones. I want some of that clam water in the dish, but all of it will be too much. And once they open, remove from the pan and reserve this liquid. The sauce is now reduced. Add some of the cooking liquid for the clams and let it cook for a minute. Taste it for seasoning. I'll add a small pinch of salt here. Add the clams and mix gently so we don't release the clam from the shell. Lowering the heat to low, squeeze half an orange into the mix. This will bring this sauce levity and freshness. And pork loves orange. And serve this gorgeous and delicious dish that will change your life. Only one thing left to do. Let's dig in. This sauce is incredible. Just a little hit of heat. Amazing. The orange juice gives citrusy note right at the end. Mellows down all that heat from the gochujang. Amazing. Meat is soft, tender, juicy. Oh. How can this not change your life? That's the question. This has all the beauty of the original dish, but it's just one step above it. Gochujang makes it better, 100%. This being said, the original is a fantastic dish, just using normal red pepper paste. If you can't find gochujang where you live, this with red pepper paste will be beautiful as well. I only have one word to describe this: bloody delicious. And after you try it, come and tell me what changed in your life. That's what I want to know. And after your life just changed and you were looking for something as good as this, Better? Questionable. That's good? Probably. Just watch this video here and that will solve that problem for you. What are you doing? Go and watch it. I'll continue eating the dish. See you on the next video. Ciao!